If you say call like call, you're missing the real English sound. There is a long, deep ow sound hiding there.
Okay.
The sound is ah, ah. It's long. Your lips are slightly rounded. Your jaw drops a little. And then you hold the sound. Ah. Listen carefully. Call, talk, more, door. Can you hear? It's longer and deeper, right? Listen one more time. Call, talk, more, door. No short, no flat. It's smooth and it's stretched. Try with me. Call, talk, more, door. Hold it and don't rush it.
Okay.
Master this long ow sound and your English will instantly sound more native-like.
Subscribe for more daily English pronunciation.